Now let's continue with some horse racing now, because Money Market returned to winning ways in landing the second running of the Gregory Park Sprint and Open Allowance contest for 3-year-old and up, going 5 furlongs round at Caymanas Park on Saturday. The 92 choice in a well-timed run got the better of a 4-5 favourite, She's That Girl, in sloppy underfoot conditions at Caymanas Park. The Gary Subrachi conditioned 6-year-old bay horse Money Market, with former champion jockey Dane Dawkins aboard, won in 1 minute and done fifths by 2 3/4 lengths.
She's That Girl drifting down toward the rail. Money Market kicking in on the outside, and Money Market now may have that lead over She's That Girl, continuing the fight. Zulu Warrior is over against the rail. Wall Street Trader has a lot to find, but Money Market has now taken charge on the run, passing the 16th pole. It's Devastating Dane Dawkins and Money Market. Devastating Dane will have his 3rd win on the card. She's That Girl is 2nd, Zulu Warrior is 3rd, 4th goes to Wall Street Trader.
Meanwhile, Feeling Free landed the co-feature Grooms Association of Jamaica Trophy, a restricted allowance for contest going over the 5 straight course.
This is where the race lies, the rest toiling behind. Summer Palace needs to get going, but Strong Mind coming over to the far rail with that lead. Margarita is right there too. This is where the race lies. They're coming inside the final furlong. Strong Mind and Margarita also trying to get to them. That's Feeling Free, but Strong Mind still in front. Feeling Free is closing fast and furious, and maybe Feeling Free in time. Beating Strong Mind. Margarita is next. Then comes El Mastilis and maybe Bangarang back in 5th.
Racing continues on Sunday with the 17th running of the King's Plate. First post for the 9-race card is noon.